Ito yung lumang engine sa Formula 1 before 1950 to 1967. Yan. And for the Lotus Engineering, so this is 1958. Ito yung structure ng Lotus 25 1964 British Grand Prix. Lotus 78, ito yung structure, ito yung makina. So this is Renault 1983. So Lotus 93, ito yung structure niya, solid.